Please subscribe and remember to turn on notifications. And check out our other free lessons on our YouTube channel. Do you want to access more free videos? If so, click the link below and register for our free course. Now it's time for the listen and repeat section of our lesson. Here are some useful expressions. Listen and repeat.
Excuse me, I'm looking for yogurt. Do you have any French cheese? Could you tell me where the cereal is? Can I have some of that cheese, please? About 200 grams. Yes, can I have some of this pie? A bit more, please. That's perfect. Thanks. Yes, I'd like 5 slices of that ham.
Listen and repeat these phrases at least 3 times.
Do you have this dress in size 10? Do you have these jeans in a medium? Does this t-shirt come in blue? How much is it? It looks really nice. I'll try it on. I'd like to try it on. Where can I try it on? Where are your fitting rooms? I think I need a bigger size. Fine, I'll take it. I'll take them. Could you wrap them up for me? They're a present. Oh, that's very expensive. I need to think about it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other free lessons on our YouTube channel. Do you want to access more free videos? If so, click the link below and register for our free course. You can also sign up for a live lesson with a teacher.